Welcome to Cooking Companion TV and this recipe demo of Hijiki salad. I'm Jenna Edwards and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. This video showcases two Hijiki recipes. Hijiki or Hiziki seaweed is pretty unique. As it goes for seaweed salads, I prefer Hijiki's texture to other seaweeds. It mixes well with rice or even soba noodles for a heartier meal. You'll find it in most health food stores these days and it will come dried like this. You'll rinse it to remove any sand, then soak it for 5 to 15 minutes depending on how soft or al dente you like it. This is half a cup of dried hijiki, and I'll soak it in only another half a cup of water. Set it aside and let it soak for up to 15 minutes. Now for our first recipe, let's julienne some carrots. To julienne a vegetable means to cut it into matchstick-sized pieces. And the cleanest way to do that is to make straight sides all around the carrot. So slice off the round edge of the carrot as best as you can, and you end up with a rectangular cube. Now slice that long ways to make even slabs of carrot, and then make even more slices to make the matchsticks. It's tedious, but it's kind of soothing if you like making things even. Now heat a pan over medium-low heat, and once it's warm, add toasted sesame oil, and then throw in the carrot sticks to cook until they've softened. You don't normally cook with toasted sesame oil because it's a delicate oil and it's so fragrant, but we're doing that here, which is pretty unique. I've also used very old carrots, so they're pretty soft to begin with, and hopefully your carrots are more crisp. Once the carrots are soft, you'll add the soaked hijiki to the pan, along with any citrus juice of your choice or rice wine vinegar, sea salt, and a dash of pepper, and heat it through. You can serve this warm or cold, and when you serve, you'll garnish it with sesame seeds. And now for the second recipe. We use the same amount of hijiki, but we don't soak it for as long. We want this one al dente, so only soak for 5 to 10 minutes. Drain it well, and then squeeze out the excess water, which you can see here. And I definitely think this should be done for any recipe. It takes out a lot of that intense, oceany, seaweedy flavor. Now we'll make a dressing combining rice wine vinegar, soy sauce, sugar, and this part didn't film, and I'm sorry for missing that part, but really how hard can it be? And add in toasted sesame oil and ginger. Ideally, you want fresh ginger juice, but in a pinch, I only have ground ginger. And we'll whisk it all together and give it a taste. Unfortunately, the sugar, and I really do mean sugar here, it does round out some extreme bitterness. You can use agave or just cut back on the sugar as much as you can handle it. You can also add more sesame oil as needed, and I really like that flavor. It definitely helps here, so I'm adding more of that to my dressing. And we need to slice a green onion for the garnish, and don't skip this. It really makes a difference. Now we'll toss the dressing with the hijiki, and then we'll sprinkle in some sesame seeds and toss it again. And there you have it, y'all. Hijiki two ways. If you're new to hijiki and you try the cooked recipe with carrots, I recommend serving it with rice and dashing soy sauce on it to ease you into the intense flavor of the seaweed. The full recipes are at cookingcompaniontv.com. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to this channel for more demos just like this. I'm Jenna Edwards, and thanks for watching.